Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to part 2 of Appian tutorial series. So today we will learn how we can create unnamed expression rules and interfaces in Appian. But before moving further, you guys have to tell me if you guys already knew about this or not by dropping your comments below in the comment section. Okay, so sometimes we get into a situation where we just want to test the result of something. Okay, and for that we don't really have to create expression rules or interfaces, because to be honest, I myself feel lazy doing that, and as a result I end up creating these unnamed expression rules and interfaces. I'll show you how we can create unnamed expression rules or interfaces without actually creating it. Okay, without wasting further more time, let's get right into the video. Okay, so you have to go back to your Appian designer screen, copy this URL, then take a new tab and paste this URL over there, and then / and then type interface. Cool. Here you go. Now I'll show you how we can create expression rule and unnamed expression rule without creating expression rule. Okay, so we have already copied that URL. Take a new tab, paste that URL, and then / and then type rule. Here you go. So I think that's all I have for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, until then, cheers, bye bye.